Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. Here in this video, we are going to start with unit test 1 where we are going to learn from chapters 1 to 3 in brief. So here we have fill in the blanks. So you need to fill the blank space over here. Here you are given largest 6-digit number plus what number you need to add so that you get the smallest 7-digit number. So my dear students, as you know, largest 6-digit number, that means how many times 9? 6 times 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 9,99,999 plus what you need to add so that you get the smallest 7-digit number, that is 1 time 1 and 6 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the number, that is 10 lakh. So 9,99,000 plus 1 if you add, then you will get this number. So remember, if we add 1 to the largest 6-digit number, we will get smallest 7-digit number. Similarly, if we add 1 to largest 5-digit number, we will get smallest 6-digit number. Similarly, if you add 1 to largest 4-digit number, we will get the smallest 5-digit number. Again, for example, if you add 1 to largest 9-digit number, we will get smallest 10-digit number. Let us understand this concept with help of another one example. So 99 is the smallest 2-digit number. With it, if we add 1, then what we will get? We will get 100. That is smallest 3-digit number. So this is 2-digit and this is 3-digit. This is largest 2-digit and this is smallest 3-digit. So I think now it is clear to you. So here our answer will be 1. Next we have 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000s equal to dash thousands. Easiest method to solve the sums. In Indian place value system, we have ones, then tens, then hundreds. Next we have 1000. Next we have 10,000. And next lakh. Here you are asked 1 lakh equal to. So 1 lakh. So in lakh you will write 1 and rest you will write zeros. Done. Now in the question you are asked 1 lakh equal to how many? 10,000. And again it is asked how many thousand. So here 10,000 is here. So from here you need to do like this. So what you are getting? 10,000. So here you will write 10. Next you have how many thousand. So from here you need to make like this. So you are getting 100,000. Is this sum clear to you? Let us write the answer. So we have written 1 lakh equal to 10 thousands and 100 thousands. Next, we need to choose the correct answer. Number A. The smallest 7-digit number formed from the digits given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you need to clear a concept over here. You are asked to write smallest 7-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are going to write 7-digit number. Okay. Now if we write the numbers given in ascending order, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the digits given. If we tell that this is our answer, but if we write 0 in the left hand side, 0 has no value. That means here the number which we have written is 12,34,056. That is 6-digit number. This is a 6-digit number. So our answer is wrong because we are asked to write smallest 7-digit number. Then how we are going to write? We cannot write 0 in the beginning. So we will write 1, that is the next smallest number. And we will write 0 over here after that. And rest we will write as it is, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the numbers in ascending order. So this one is our answer, that is 10,23,456. So let us see in which option we have this answer. So here we have in option number 3, so this will be our correct answer over here. Next we have 98 can be written in Roman number system as. So 98. First one what is given? This is 50. But here 4 times x. So 4 times x we cannot write in Roman number. We cannot repeat any Roman number more than 3 times. So this is wrong. This is no Roman number. Next we have over here x. X means 10. Before c, that is 100 minus 10, this is 90. So xc means what? 90, that is 100 minus 10. If we have smaller number before the bigger number in Roman, that means it denotes subtraction. So 100, that is c, minus 10 is 90. And we have 8, that is 98. And you are asked to write the 98 in Roman number. So this will be our correct answer over here. So let us mark this as correct answer. Now let us move on to the next sum. Add 7,654, 51,095. Next we have 3,23,283. So how we are going to arrange these numbers for addition? Here the greatest number is 3,23,283. So till lakh we have. So lakh, then we have 10,000, then we have 1,000, then we have 100, then tens, then ones. So first we have 3,23,283. Like this we will write the bigger one like this. Next we will write the next one, that is 3,426. So 3,426. We'll write this 3 in 1,000, 4 in 100, 2 in tens and 6 in 1. Don't make any mistake while writing the numbers. Next we have 4,000. So in 1,000, 678. So this writing is very important where we are going to write. Next we will add. So after this we are going to add. We can solve this sum in other ways as well, but if we follow this method we will not make any mistake. So now let us add. 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. So 1 will be over here and 17, 7 will be here. Next 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So 1 and 8 like this. Next 6 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13. So we are getting over here 13. Next 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11. 2 plus 1 is 3 and here 3. So our final answer what we are getting is 3,31,387. Let us write this. Next we need to subtract 18,236 from 7 lakh. So from 7 lakh, that means we need to write 7 lakh first. So we have written 7 lakh. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000s, and this is lakh. From this we need to subtract 18,236. From 0 we cannot subtract 6. So we will assume this as 10. And before that we have 0. So this will be 9, this will be 9, this will be 9, this will be 9, and this will be 6. Now 10 minus 6 if we do, we will get here 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 6 minus nothing, so 6. So our answer is 6,81,764. So we have written the answer over here, that is 6,81,764. Next, we need to estimate this to nearest 100. So first we will add, then we need to estimate to nearest 100. So we have 4,678. So 4,678 plus 3,426. Let us add this. 6 plus 8 is 14. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we are getting 8,104. First we will write this. Next we need to convert it to nearest 100. Here we are going to write it to nearest 100. So here we have 100. After 100 we need to check. Here we have 0. If we have 5 or more than 5, we need to add to the 100 position number. Else we need not to add anything to the 100 position number. We will directly write 81 as nearest 100. After writing this one, rest will be 0. So 2 digits are there, so 2 zeros. 8100, that is 8100 is our answer over here. Next one, we need to subtract and we need to write nearest 100. So let us subtract first. So we have 8534 minus we have 2588. So here as you can see, 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we need to assume it to be 14 and we have taken 1 from 3, so it is 2. 2 minus 8 is not possible, so we need to assume it to be 12 and we have taken 1 from this 5, so this is 4. 4 minus 5 is not possible, so we need to borrow 1 from here, that is 8, so this will be 7. So now 14 minus 8 you are getting 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. 14 minus 5 is 9. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we are getting 5,946. But we need to write it to nearest 100. So let us write. So we are going to write nearest 100. So this is the 100 position number. After that we need to check. This is 4, that is less than 5. So what we need to do, you need not to do anything. We need not to add 1 to this 9 because this is less than 5. So here what we will do, we will write the number, that is 5. Next the 100 position we have in the 100 place, that is 9, and rest we need to write 2 zeros. So 5,900 will be our answer over here. Now let us start with the next sum. Add largest 6-digit number to smallest 7-digit number. So largest 6-digit number, that is largest means 9. How many times? 6 times. So if you write, we will get 9,99,999. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000s, and this is lakh. With this you need to add the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number means 1, then 6 times zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 10 lakh position you will get. So if you are adding 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, here also 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, and here we have 1. So we are getting 19,99,999. So this is our final answer. Now next one, what should be added to this to get this? That means here if we subtract from this number this one, we will get the number what should be added, because this number plus something will give us this one. So this one we already have, so this one we need to make. So from here if we subtract what we have, we will get what we need. So let us do it. So here we have 1 4 7, that is 1,47,890 minus 57,880. 89. So let us subtract. 0 minus 9 is not possible. So 10, we will assume we are taking 1. We are borrowing from this 9. So this is 8. 8 minus 8 is possible. So we will not do anything over here. Here, as you can see, 4 minus 5 is not possible. So we will assume it to be 14. We have taken this 1 from here. So now let us do the subtraction. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. And 14 minus 5 we will get 9. So here we are getting 90,001. So our answer will be 90,001. Next we need to multiply, that is 785 into 281. So let us do it over here. So 785 multiplied by 281. How we are going to multiply? So here first we need to multiply with this 1. So 1 into 5, what we are getting? 5. 1 into 8, this 8, what we are getting? 8. 1 into 7, what we are getting? 7. Done. So we have done this one. Next 8, that is in the tens position. So after 8 we have 1, means 1 digit. So put a 0 over here, because after 8 we have 1 digit. So put a 0 over here, or you can give a cross. Next 8 5s are 40. So 0 you will write over here and 4 you will write over here. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 4 is 68. So 8 you will write over here and 6 you will write over here. Next 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 6 you had, that is 62. So you will write 62 over here. Next we have 2. 2 is in the 100 position. So 2 zeros you need to write, or 2 cross you need to make. Next 2 into 5 is 10. So 0 you will write over here. 1 is our carry. 8 2s are, next 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 1 carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 carry is 15. So we have multiplied. Now we need to add this, whatever we have got. 5 plus 0 you will get over here 5. 8 plus 0 you will get over here 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 1 carry and 5 over here. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 over here. Here we have 12. That is 6 plus 1 plus 5 is 12. So 2. So 2 over here. What we are getting? We are getting 2,20,585. So let us write the answer. So next we have 456 into 500. Into 500 we have, after 500 we have 2 zeros. So after multiplying with 5, this number we can add 2 zeros and get our answer. We need not to multiply with 500. So multiply it with 5 first. So 5 into 6 we are getting over here 30. So 3 will be carry. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So we are getting 2,280, and we need to add this 2 zeros because we need to multiply with 500, not 5. So we are getting a final answer as 2280. After that 2 zeros, that is 2,28,000. So let us write the answer. Next question. A shopkeeper sold 655 books. If the price of each book, that is one book, was 199, how much money did he get by selling all the books? So in this question it is given one book equal to rupees 199, and you are asked to find out the value of 655 books. Let us take an example to understand this sum better. If I tell you that one chocolate is for rupees 2, means for buying one chocolate you need to pay rupees 2. Now if you are asked to buy 10 chocolates, what you need to pay? So 1 is rupees 2, so 10 is more than 1, so 10 into 2 you will get 20. like this. 1 is 199, but 655 is more than 1. According to unitary method, you need to multiply the value of one item, that is 199, into the number of items you are going to find out, that is 655. So let us multiply 199 multiplied by 655. So first with this 5 we need to multiply the numbers. So 9 5s are 45, 4 will be carry 5. Again 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 4 is 49. Again 4 is carry. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4 carry, you will get here 9. So 995. Next we have 5 again. So after 5 we have one digit, so put a 0 over here. So with 5 you need to multiply 199 again. So as you are multiplying by same number, we will get 995 again. You can multiply and check it. Next with 6 you need to multiply the number, but 6 in the 100 position, so 2 zeros, because after 6 we have 2 digits. 6 9s are what? 54. So 4 over here, 5 is our carry. 6 9s are again 54, 54 plus 5 59. So 5 is carry, we will write 9. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we need to add. So let us add. Here you will get 5. 9 plus 5 is 14, so 1 carry. 18 19, 19 plus 4 is 23, so 23 over here. And here we have 9 plus 9 is 18, 19 20, so 2 0. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. So here we are getting 1,30,345. So here our final answer is 1,30,345. Next question. 250 copies of a book with 164 pages each have to be printed. How many pages have to be printed? So in one book you have 164 pages. So in 250 books, how many pages you will have? 164 into 250, because one book equal to 164 pages, and you need to find out 250 books, so you need to multiply 164 by 250. So let us multiply. So 250 books, if you find out, you will get 164 into 250 pages. So let us multiply. We have 164 multiplied by 250. This 0 we will add afterwards. We will just multiply with 25 first. So let us multiply. 4 5s are what you will get? 20. So 2 over here. 5 into 6 what you will get? 5 into 6 you will get 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So 3 is carry now. 5 into 1 you will get 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 over here. Next 2 in the tens position. So after 2 we have a digit. So 1 0 over here. 2 into 4 now. 2 into 4 is 8. Next 2 into 6 what you will get? 2 into 6 is 12. So 1 carry. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 carry. You are getting over here 3. Now if we add, we will get here 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. Again 8 plus 2 plus 1 you will get over here 11, and 3 plus 1 is 4. But here we had another 1 0. So our final answer will be 41,000. We need to add a 0. Answer, this is story sum, so you are going to write as I have shown and give your answer. Amina's mother bought a car for rupees 1,45,455. She spent rupees 86,485 in getting it repaired and serviced. I think it is a second hand car, so it is repaired and serviced. How much money did she spend on the car in all? So total amount spent by him. So you are asked to find out the total amount spent by her, that is the cost and the repairing. You need to add, then only you will find out the total amount what she need to pay. So you are going to add 1,45,455. So let us add 5 plus 5, you will get here 10. 5 plus 8 you are getting 13. 13 plus 1 is 14, so 14. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 8 plus 1 carry, you will get here 9. 5 plus 6 is 11, so 11. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are getting 2,31,940. So we have written our answer, that is rupees 2,31,940. Next, population of Rampur is 96,789. Means number of people living in Rampur is 96,789. The population of Alipur is 69,987. So both the populations are given of the two villages. Which village has a larger population? So which one is more? Which number is more? This one or this one? So 96,789 is more. So your answer over here will be Rampur. So first answer will be Rampur. Next, by how much or how much larger you are asked, means how much more. So you need to subtract from the number, that is 9 lakh. So you are going to subtract from 96,789, that is which one is the larger one. From that you need to subtract the smaller population, that is 69,987. So let us subtract and find out. So 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 8 is 0. Here 7 minus 9 is not possible, so 17. We are borrowing 1 from here, so this will be 5. So 5 you are writing, means here 5 minus 9 is not possible, so here 1 you need to take from here, so this will be 8. Now 17 minus 9 you will get here 8, and here 15 minus 9 you will get here 6, and 8 minus 6 is 2, that is 26,802. So how much larger is 26,802? That is our final answer. So as you can see, we have completed with unit test 1. So if you find the content of this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And if you want to directly communicate with us, you can join the Telegram channel or group, the link of which is given in the description box. Students, keep practicing, keep learning with Prudence Coach. Bye bye students, have a nice day. See you in the next class. Bye bye.